We are hiking in the Black Mountains, a J-shaped mountain range extending north from the Blue Ridge Mountains. Although it contains the highest peak in the Appalachians, the Black Mountain Spur is only about 15 miles in length. We're going to try the, was that Balsam?
Balsam.
Balsam Nature Trail. This is beautiful in here. Like we're in a overgrown Christmas tree farm.
I can smell that.
I can't believe you can smell. Daddy can smell for the first time in years. I don't know if it's the altitude or being in a fog. This is gorgeous. Well, if you can't never smell anything, this is the first thing you smell, and that's a good smell to start with. A fresh smell.
A fresh smell. Is that what it smells like to you?
Hey, bears.
Hey, bear.
We're just walking through. Beautiful rock cropping. Look at that. He's in the cloud, in the sun. Wow. He's like a glowing angel. Can you see the green? It's just so green and beautiful. These are my kind of trails.